Okay, so that's a nested list. Even more powerful, you might say, is a nested dictionary. Here's a real world kind of example for how you might use a nested dictionary. Also relates directly to the assignment that I'm about to share with you here in a few minutes. But in this case, I've got a main dictionary called D employees. And in that dictionary, there is one type of key value pair, but there are three key and value pairs. Each one is its own employee record. So I have an employee ID as the key, and the value is a dictionary. And in that dictionary, I have name and job set up as keys. So it's really easy for me to find what I'm looking for. Another way to look at this is EMP1 is a key, and that's the corresponding value. Inside that, we have key value, key value. Now, the great thing about this, let me steal that code. The great thing about this is that if I wanted to get down into this and let's say retrieve the name for employee number one, I could just say D employees, EMP1, name. Let's print that. Okay, and there I have that. But I can do even more powerful things if I want to. Let's try this for okay, so if I do this, pay close attention. What do you think it's going to print?
The employee's name or the employee things like employee one, employee two, employee three.
Yeah, you're right. So it iterates through and it gives me the EMP1. But if you noticed in this previous print statement, I used that to refer to which employee record I wanted to do. So if I wanted to roll through and print the employee names, there I go. So I could go through, if I have a really complicated data set that has not just employee names, but let's say the date of last evaluation, social security numbers, payroll, like I can roll through that entire database and pull each person's stuff with literally one line of code. So what it gives us is this really powerful ability to organize complex data and then reach down into it and pull stuff out that is useful. Which to me, I know it sounds kind of, well, that's neat or whatever. To me, as a software developer, that is really exciting stuff because when you, let me just put it this way. I think as soon as you get the chance to work on a real project that has massive amounts of data, the ability to do things with that massive amount of data in Python is actually pretty cool and exciting, even if it's like accounting data or something really boring. And we'll actually toward the end of this class, we're going to do a little bit of really lightweight data science work with Python, which is one of the places where Python just kills it. And that's going to be kind of fun. But you get a sense for how great Python is at doing things with data. So this is a really great feature of Python, these nested dictionaries.